Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Hope that all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty. This is Shahinur Begum, lecturer of Management Department in Milestone College. Today I will start a new topic. The topic's name is Direct Service from your book chapter 1. What is direct service? You know the definition of direct service. Already I have discussed about direct service. Dear student, previous class I have discussed about direct service, features of direct service. Now I am going to discuss about types of direct service. Here is written some direct service. It is written in your book also. Number 1, education service. Number 2, healthcare service. Number 3, service to trade. Number 4, professional service. Number 5, consumer service. First one, number 1, education service. Example, KG school, college, universities, IELTS, TOEFL, etc. Description. Nowadays, education service is the most important in modern world. In modern world, without education, nothing can be done properly. Not only school, college, university, in our country, some organization like coaching center, IELTS, TOEFL, GMAT are providing teaching for the students, those who are interested to admit in public university or abroad. Number 2, healthcare service. Like education, healthcare service also most important sector in the world. Medicine company are included in industries because different types of medicine industry, they are producing medicine. On the other hand, the distributing sector are related with commerce. In that sector, there are some service. That one is diagnostic center, pathological center, etc. Number 3, service to trade. Service to trade. Different services facilitating or providing their service for the trade. Without this facilitating, business cannot run smoothly. For example, bank, insurance, advertisement, communication, transportation, warehouse, these type of service, always they are providing the service so that the industrialist or the produced product easily reached to the consumer, so that the customer or consumer easily they can get the product. So this is very important, service to trade in direct service. 4 number, professional service. In order to make profit, different professionals, they are providing their service for earning profit. For example, doctor, lawyer, teacher, audit firm, etc. They are providing service, facilitating different service for the benefit of the customer, and they are getting the service directly. Last one, consumer service, or for example, hotels, tourism, mobile phone, etc. Okay, dear student, one thing you should remember from these two topics, professional service and consumer service. Professional service, the professional like doctor, lawyer, audit firm, they are providing their service to the customer. On the other hand, consumer service, the consumer, they are getting or they are receiving different type of service. For example, hotel, tourism, mobile phone, recreation center. There are lots of examples are written in your book. If you read the book properly, you can learn so many things about this. So dear student, if you learn direct service properly, hope that all of you are very clear about this and you can achieve a good result during the exam time. Almost every year question come from these topics, direct service. Direct service, again I am telling you, learn the definition, learn the feature, learn the types properly. Nowadays direct service is not free from problem. In Bangladesh there are lots of problem in direct service sector. Now I am going to discuss some important topics. That one is mentionable. Number one, lack of proper principle and guidance. There are some problems in direct service and there are no proper principle for maintaining this. Number two, lack of mentality of providing service. In our country, the people, they are not that much interested to providing the direct service properly. There are some lackings. Number three, law and order situation. In our country, law and situation are there, but most of the time law and order situation are not applied properly. Want of capital. It's a very important things. We know that in any business, capital is the lifeblood of any business. So if anybody have the training, efficiency, but for the lack of capital, they cannot conduct the business properly. So this is the most important problem for the direct service. Political instability is the main issue for any country like Bangladesh. Sometimes for the political unrest, the service provider people, they cannot provide their service on time for the customer satisfaction. So this is also most important topics for the problem. Low per capita income. As Bangladesh is developing country, so in that case Bangladesh per people, their per capita income is not up to the mark. This is also one of the most important or mentionable problem. Last one, number 7, obstacles to flourishing proper culture. So this is one of the important problems. That means this is also the mentionable problems for the direct service. So students, you have to know, I think you are very clear about today's topics, like what is the problem, obstacles for Bangladesh providing the direct service. You are very clear. If you watch this video properly, hope that everybody can learn so many things about direct service. As I discussed about the definition of direct service, the features of direct service, the types of direct service, and problems and prospects of direct service. This is today's lesson. Hope that all of you watch the video properly. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.